In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add login and registration forms using WordPress plugin. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening the Sites area. This is your central dashboard for managing your WordPress.com websites. If you see more than one site listed, select the site where you want to add login and registration functionality. Once you're inside your site's dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Plugins section. This is where you can browse and add approved plugins to extend your site's features. At the top of the Plugins page, click into the search field and type the word Login. This quickly filters the results, so you don't have to scroll through everything. In the results, look for a plugin called LoginPress, Custom Login Page Customizer. It's designed to help you create and style your login, admin login, client login, and register pages, all from a friendly interface. Click the plugin to open its details page. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the plugin's tabs. The Description tab gives you an overview of what the plugin does and the types of customization you can expect. Switch to the Installation tab to understand how it will be set up on a WordPress.com site and whether there are any prerequisites. The Changelog tab shows recent updates and compatibility notes, which is useful for assessing plugin maintenance and reliability. The FAQs tab answers common questions and can help you anticipate how to configure settings for login and registration later on. When you're ready, click the Get Started button. This launches WordPress.com's guided setup flow that pairs your site with the plugin. You'll be prompted to select a domain. If you need a new domain, use the search field to look up available names and choose the one that fits your brand. If you already own a domain and want to use it here, select the option that says you already have a domain. From there, choose to use your existing domain and follow the on-screen prompts. After confirming your choice, click Continue. WordPress.com will finalize the setup, connect the plugin to your site, and handle the technical steps in the background. Give it a moment to process. Once the setup completes, your site will have LoginPress installed and ready. From there, you can open the plugin settings to tailor your login and registration pages, adjusting layout, branding, and user messaging so they match your site's style. If you're on a plan that supports plugins,